Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley, and today I'm showing you guys some of the hottest 2 bedrooms that Dallas has to offer in Uptown. So let's go ahead and get started with some apartments I checked out this week that are currently available for lease. Okay, so we're starting off with apartment number 1, and even though this one is located on the 6th floor, you're gonna see how great the view is. So this just proves it doesn't matter if you're on a lower floor or in a mid-rise building, you can still get a fantastic view. And of course, we have our washer and dryer. Now, this unit is amazing because it has the 20-foot ceilings. It's so rare. I've never seen this exact unit at this property, and I've been touring this place for the past 4 years. So this is the first time it's become available to my knowledge, just because these units get leased so quickly. Now let's check out the view. So we have a gorgeous view from the 6th floor. This is really awesome. And then we have our other large windows right here, our sliding glass door. So let me open it and let's take a look outside. So you get a great view. You see the city skyline in the background. And we are located in Uptown Dallas over here. You also get views on both sides. And we have our kitchen, which is very open. Now let's check out one of the bedrooms. We have our ceiling fan and large window right there. Now coming into the bathroom. This one is the smaller of the two, so it has one sink, but we do get both a bathtub and a shower. So they are separate. Love that. We got the big garden tub to soak in. And then we have our walk-in closet, of course, with built-in shelving. All right, now let's head back over to the other side of the apartment so we can see bedroom number 2. Once again, these ceilings are crazy high. Love that. And we have our fridge with the freezer at the bottom, so that gives you more space up top for all your refrigerated goods. So we have these ceilings here that's just enormous. All right, here's bathroom number 2. Oh, actually, you know what? This bathroom is a little bit smaller, or yes, it is, because this one has the tub and shower together. The other one had them separate. So this is the largest penthouse they have available. It's over 2,500 square feet. It's absolutely gorgeous and so much space in here. A lot of people's homes are not even 2,500 square feet. Plus you get the double story ceilings up there. Beautiful, nice big pantry. Bosch appliances. Gas, so there's a half bath down here. A huge balcony. Beautiful view of the city. This balcony goes down really far. Wine cooler. My favorite thing has to be these huge windows. Plus there's a second story up here. This is something I get asked about all the time. A 2-story split level loft or penthouse. And these are pretty rare, so if you see one you like, definitely you gotta lock it in quickly. So much space in here. So this could be like a work area or living space. Built-in storage. Bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows. Love this bathroom. Very simple finishes, like very timeless, you know, very neutral. Walk-in shower. Toilets over there. Lots of shelving. Oh my gosh, this closet, yes. If you're a purse girl or a shoe girl or guy, you got all of this space in this closet. Ooh, more shelves. Yes. This is definitely for my big shoppers out there or shoe collectors. Oh, what's back here? This would be, okay, another walk-in closet. Laundry room, an actual laundry room. Oh, I think that's the AC unit. And then there's another bedroom up here on the opposite side. So much space in here. This other bedroom. You get a window that overlooks the balcony. And then bathroom number 2, which also has a walk-in shower. I love that. A lot of times you have only one bathtub, or sorry, bath and shower combo in the bathroom, not 2 walk-in showers. Lots of space in here. Okay, moving on to building number 2. This one is actually available in June. They had 2 that got leased just in the past 2 days, which is crazy. When I tell you guys these deals don't last, I'm not lying. So this one is available June 7th for $3,900. Right now they're doing 10 weeks free off of all of their units, but if you don't apply in the next week or so, this one may be gone. It might actually be gone this weekend. However, they do have some other 2 bedrooms. This one is just a very unique plan, and you'll see as we head over to the primary bedroom. So here we have our kitchen space, also the living area, which has a ceiling fan, and our wine fridge over here. You can make this a little dry bar. And also we have our built-in, so you'd put your TV right there and have all your wires hidden. Now here is the view from the patio, and one thing that is really special about this particular floor plan is that not only do you have the view of the city right here, but over to the left, you see this door? We have additional storage. This is something you almost never see because apartments want to charge you extra for storage, but you have your own storage here if you choose this layout, and a couple of the other ones I believe have some storage, but it's pretty rare, so not all of them come with that. You have your ice maker here on this double door fridge, and this room is the highlight of this apartment. We have our floor to ceiling windows on both sides, so you're going to get sun on the southwest side, which is all day, and the northeast on the other side. So definitely the best of both worlds because you'll get the sunrise and the sunset. Now here we have our large bathroom with 2 sinks, beautiful glass shower, and a large walk-in closet with tons of shelves that are built in for all of your shoes and other items. Okay, let's check out bedroom number 2. I'm sorry, it's not going to be as gorgeous as this one if you're someone who likes a ton of natural lighting. Also, apartments tend to look smaller until you add furniture. Oh, the gas stove, forgot to point that out. Okay, so once you add furniture, it really opens up the space and lets you see like how expansive everything is. So here's bathroom number 2. And this one we have our bathtub with the built-in right here. I love that. So you can put all your soaps and stuff there. And here is the closet. It doesn't have all of the shelving like the other bedroom and closet did, but it's still really gorgeous. Okay, so now we are in apartment building number 3. Okay, so I love what they did with this space. This building was actually built around 1999. However, they have totally gutted and renovated all of their units. So they did an excellent job on the renovation, including these beautiful glass showers, updated finishes, just everything new, the flooring. But it still maintains kind of like that older charm. And actually a lot of buildings that were built before 2000 were actually really good quality. So we have a really unique layout. And one thing about this building is that there are 2 bedrooms. They have several different options for. They still have all these finishes, but just the layouts are very unique. So here we have our gold against that white. It's beautiful. Have our quartz countertops, brand new appliances, and these really beautiful gold pendant lights. Now, some of the 2 bedrooms have full-size balconies and some only have a Juliet balcony. So this one has a full balcony. However, some of them have really large balconies. So this one's actually on the smaller end. Now let's check out one of the bedrooms has these really nice arches on the windows. And here we have our gold and white. I love the finishes on here. The hardware is really beautiful, and they did an excellent job with the built-in shelving in the closet. So they did not skimp on that for sure. And just the gold accents, once again, I think are stunning. We have a really large kitchen island also. So I think this would be a great spot to take videos. Okay, now our final apartment of the video. This one is located right by the Katy Trail. So if you're someone who lives in Uptown and you like to run or walk every day, being next to the Katy Trail is paramount because it's just the convenience factor you cannot beat. All right, so here we have a coat closet when you walk in, lots of cabinets right here because you could never have too much storage. And here we have our living area, washer and dryer, of course, with some shelving built above it. Here's our kitchen. It's very white with the black handles, nice and modern. And this building is brand new, so you would be the first one to live here. Now, let's check out the kitchen, get a closer look. I love how they accented the black and the white over here. The quartz countertops. And let's go check out this balcony. I love the view of the trees. You don't see that too often, only in Uptown. We have our street facing, but actually that street is pretty quiet. I've driven on there and walked past there many times. And of course you get the Katy Trail view. So lots of trees, which is a rarity. Okay, here is the bedroom. The windows are on the smaller side, but you do have this gorgeous spacious bathroom with a separate tub and shower. I love a glass shower. They can be kind of hard to clean, but just being able to walk into the shower is so much easier than having to step over a tub. And here you get the best of both worlds.